You can be able to enhance the audio quality of your videos on CapCut, but you need you to take a series of steps. Steps where you bring out the audio, enhance the audio itself, and then bring out the finished products. But then, why am I here? I'm going to show you a very easy tutorial on how you can be able to do this. This will be a very short tutorial. So grab your popcorn or whatever is around you and sit down. And yeah, open the CapCut application. If this is something you would want to learn about, do well to subscribe to this channel for more editing tutorials. And yeah, I'm Samuel Favor. This is Techlensive, and yeah, I teach you to become a better editor using the CapCut app, maybe till the CapCut app starts getting bad. Well, yeah, maybe that story is for another day. Now open the CapCut application, and what I want you to do is for you to import the video that you want to edit. After importing all the videos you want to edit, it is best you edit the video completely. That is, if you can be able to use the audio that is already in the video, edit the audio and the video together, the one you can hear. Or even if you have an external audio that you've imputed but you still want to enhance it, add it up still with the video you're already editing, make the cuts and everything, and join it very well together, so that the final edits where you'll be enhancing the audio, it wouldn't give you an issue. So when you're done editing your video, the next step you would do is you would highlight all the videos. That is, if your audio is not already separated from the video. I don't know if you get me. If you have your video clip separate and your audio clip separate, then there is no need for the audio separation. Now, to separate the audio that is with the video, that is, if the audio and video clips are together, what you do is you highlight all the video clips. That is, the video that has the clips that you want the audio to come out while the video is playing. So what you do is you highlight it, you press Ctrl+Shift+S. Now, what Ctrl+Shift+S does on CapCut is that it will select just the audio clip alone, and it will separate it from the video clip and bring it down together. I would advise that if you are done sound editing already, what you just do is you turn off all the other sounds that are there. That is, you highlight all the sounds that you've added to it and click on V. V would make it to disappear, not like disappear, but it wouldn't function. It will close its functionality. Then you click on the export option. When you click on the export option, you toggle off video and toggle on audio. You export the audio. Now, this is where the magic starts to happen. You go to whatever browser that you're using and type Adobe Enhance. Click on the Adobe Enhance option, and yeah, you can be able to either sign in or create a new account. But for this, I already have an account. So what you do is you click on Adobe Enhance, import your audio file into the website, and then it will enhance your video. After enhancing your video, you download the already enhanced audio, and then you import it back into CapCut. When you've imported it back into CapCut, you add it below the other audio you had. That is the audio that you had already pre-selected out and exported alone. Then you can be able to delete the bad audio and impute the good audio. At this time around, you don't need to do any cuts because you have already edited the video, as I had told you before. So what you do is you select the audio, you put it down, and then you select all the sound designs that you have done, click on V, and yes, it becomes active again. I'm sure the first time you clicked on V, you deactivated it, but this time you have reactivated it again. So what you do is, when you check your video thoroughly and it has given you exactly what you want, so what you can just do is export the video, and voila, your audio sounds perfect. And exactly what I told you here is what I'm using for this video. I'm sure this helps, and your audio will come out a whole lot more better when you're creating videos. If this video really helped you, do well to click the like button, subscribe to the channel for more videos like this, and yeah, other tech videos. Do well to also support the channel using the ORAIMO affiliate code to get stuff, and you also get the 5% discount from the ORAIMO stuff or whatever thing you buy if you're in Nigeria, Kenya, or yeah, most African countries. And yes, till the next one, I'll see you.